Hello, I'm Peter Saprari. I'm with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. We're based out of Fort Worth, Texas, and we have 3 locations throughout the DFW market. Here in Fort Worth, one in Louisville, and another location up in McKinney. That doesn't mean we only sell here. We ship everywhere. This particular truck that I'm going to review today, the Autocar XSpotter DOT version, is available to you and to be shipped anywhere. I can tell you right now that the Autocar is the most safe truck in the business because it has its all steel cab, it's high visibility, and it's wheelbase. This 116-inch wheelbase truck that we're going to review real quick can get in anywhere. It's set up for general distribution, and general distribution that has to leave from its yard to maybe say a drop yard. This will do 33 miles per hour on the highway, and it can be registered legally for DOT because of the brakes. It can also be just set up as just a regular terminal spotter and be used in general distribution. It's set up for 81,000 gross combined vehicle weight, so that means it can tow any trailer that you want to put behind it. That could include everything from potato chips all the way up to water. And the benefit to you on this particular truck, besides its turning radius and the all steel cab, is the functionality that this particular truck will give you because it's also tied to Autocar. It has a smart dash inside of it. The smart dash actually reports to the driver and to the fleet administrator what's going on with that truck. The benefit for you and anybody watching this is maintenance. That means that you don't have to take your driver's word for it. The truck is going to tell you that this truck needs maintenance. It starts up on auto, and when you turn on the truck, run it, it will go through a check, and it will tell you all there is to know about that truck, whether it's low on DEF, oil, coolant, or even if the transmission oil needs to be changed. It's a fantastic truck. Like I said, I ship these all over the United States. This particular truck right here is located in Fort Worth, Texas. If you'd like to come visit us, we're at 712 North Beach in Fort Worth, Texas. I'm Peter Saprari. I'm the Vice President of Sales, and I look forward to hearing from you, whether through the internet or on my cell phone, 817-690-1739. And I answer that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, whether by phone or text. Sometimes people even send me pictures. I look forward to hearing from you.